Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall and style your 24-inch 5x5 closure wig from Beauty Forever Hair. I would like to start out by saying this wig is 6 months old, so for a 6-month-old wig, I will say it is still holding up pretty good. I definitely think it maintains its shine. It does have some shedding, but that's to be expected from an older wig. So when I first got it, it didn't have that much shedding and it was super full. Over time, it isn't as thick, but I will say that I still like it. And I definitely would shop with this company again. And I do wear this wig often, probably like 3 times out the week. I style it a lot, I brush it a lot. So I have washed this wig like probably 10 times now. So I've definitely got good use out of it. So if you're looking for a wig that has a lot of longevity, this is the wig for you. Now let's get into the styling. Okay, so for this part, you might be a little confused. It might look like I'm just using the brush to style my edges, but in reality, I'm actually putting water from the sink. That's all I use to slick my edges down.